Hi, it's Renee. I got a small haul. My scrapbook kit come and I tore it open. Alright, we have Magical Forest. It's puppy stickers. We have Paper Studio. Holy cow, 100 pieces. 2 of each. And I have 2 packs of those. That's gonna take me a while. I'll set this over here on the side. Then we have Paper Studios Stickabilities. Okay, this is going to be a 70s style. Let's see what we have here. Simple Stories, Hobo Sunshine. Oh yeah, definitely 70s. We got a rainbow and colored flowers on the other side. Love Vibes, Hello Bloom, words on one side. And orange on orange. Okay, this one's going to be hard for me to use. Cactus. Oh, I can use that side. Orange with X's on it. Ooh, love this page. Different colored butterflies. That's beautiful. Daisies. And banners. Be happy. Smile big. Love life. Ooh, I like that stripe. Yeah, definitely 70s. Smiley faces. And yellow. And we have records, skates, peace signs, love, yeah. Polaroid camera, definitely 70s. And avocado green. Ooh, cut apart tags, yay. And journaling bits. And sunshine. And more cut aparts, yay. And sunshines, or suns. More cut aparts. Yeah, Polaroid camera, tell me this isn't the 70s. And half suns. More cut aparts. And flowers. And this is a sticker sheet. This will be easy to use. And then last weekend, I went down and did some shopping. And I needed another thing of foam tape. And this went up in price. Last time I bought one, it was $15. This time it was $22. And then one thing came in from Temu, and it is a... If I can get it open here, how do I open it? I don't want you to see the glare off of it. It's a reel. Alright, that is it for this haul. And thank you for watching. I will be back very soon, hopefully, with another video. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye for now.